Hello and welcome back to our official channel of Swapo Studio. Today we are learning how to disable this zoom in functions in a single product page in WordPress. First of all, go to our dashboard, then go to plugins and add a new plugin. Search for snippet snippet. This is the one. Code snippet by Code Snippets Pro. Install it and activate it. Then you can find snippets here. Click for it and you need to create a new snippet. Give title here, remove zoom functi on function in single product page, and you need to copy this code and paste it here. I'll provide this code in our description, and then save changes here. Save changes and activate. Go to reload it, and now it is not zooming. Hope you guys learn it, and thank you for today.